this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and I have a new digital kit that I want to show you that's found on Etsy, and it's called Secret Agent Kit, and you get like 12 pages and a bunch of ephemera and stuff. So I printed this out on just some copy paper using the inkjet printer, but you can use a better quality printer and paper if you like. But here's the first page. Like I said, you get 12 pages, and I didn't print these front to back. I just did it just one-sided. So it has like a mystery detective kind of look to it. And it looks like an old book, you know. Some of the things I scanned, and some of the things I just edited from some of my vintage collectible papers and magazines and stuff. And I did a little bit of editing in Photoshop, and that's how I got some of these. But they all have that vintage, rustic kind of look to it. So, like I said, it's like a mystery detective kind of thing. You know, so these are the 12 pages, and it's 24, of course, if you fold it in half, and 48, because really instead of just one sheet, you technically have 4 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. So you really have 48 if you include front to back folded up. So, but yeah, these are what they look like. It's real simple and really quick. Has some hinges, and this one's a solid one with hinges. And then we get to the ephemera. You have a bunch of words, you know, like clues, shadows, detective, things like that, you know. Let's see, this is the word sheet, and then you get some ephemera. You have like a wrench. Like I said, these are all actual like documents that I kind of edited, that I had, that I scanned, and this is a what do you call it, frame that I have at home. All of this is stuff that I've scanned from my actual things that I have here. So yeah. And then here's some more. You get some tags and some journal cards and some more journal cards. Just 2 of the same ones. That's 2 of the same ones, and these are 2 different ones over here. And then you get some pockets, some corner pockets, and then some more ephemera. And turn this like this, I think that's how it goes. And there's some more pockets. They're similar to each other with slightly different colors, but they go well with the pages, you know. You cut them up and put them on there. And then you have this envelope template. You just cut that out, fold over your flaps, add this onto your flaps, and fold that down. That's your top. And then you can just add some buttons or just whatever. So right now, the regular price is $5.99, but I have it on sale for 20% off between now and July the 2nd. So just head on over to Multimedia Crafts Digital, and that's where you can find it. And I'll have a link in the description. And this is just, like I said, just a simple little share, short video. But if you guys like this, give it a thumbs up, and check out my other videos and my blog and my social media sites. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching.